Número 13, chicos. For number 13. The cost of 80 tickets to a concert is $4,000. Each ticket costs the same amount. Which table or equation represents a relationship between the number of tickets, T, and the total cost of the ticket, C? So first, chicos, what you need to do is you need to find how much each ticket costs. So if 80 ticket costs $4,000, how much does one ticket cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta un boleto, chicos? Si 80 cuestan 4,000. Entonces, what do we need to do? Exactly. We need to divide 4,000 by 80. Now, whatever we find, chicos, lo que encontremos, that's what we're going to be multiplying by. That's what we're going to be multiplying by. And that's where our table and what our equation should look like. Now, 8 to 4 cannot go. To 40, si cabe. And then there's 5. So we're multiplying by 500 or by 50. Now, never mind. It should be 80. That's why. That makes sense now. So there we go. 50. Aquí está. Now, 50 is what we're multiplying by. Entonces, your equation should be multiplying by 50, and the table should be multiplying by 50. Now, there's one table that's multiplying by 60, and there's one table that's multiplying by 50. So you're going to select the one that is multiplying by 50, this one. And remember, you're multiplying each ticket by $50. So you're multiplying the tickets by 50. You are not multiplying the cost by 50. So this is the answer. Now, I made a mistake in the numbers here. So there might be a little bit different. But just remember that you're multiplying the 50 and T. The cost should be the total. That should be left alone. Okay? Now, just find whatever you're multiplying by 50, and that's the answer. So this one and this one. Are we good? Yes? Okay. Number 14 is very, very simple, chicos. Some cake bakers were asked which kind of cake they made on their home most recently. The table shows the data collected. So this is the types of cake. We have vanilla, we have carrot, chocolate, and tres leches. Yummy. Now, which kind of cake, aquí debe decir cake, represents the mode? Cuando ustedes vean esta palabra, chicos, when you see this word, mode, ese representa el más alto, más, most. And most sounds like mode. So whichever has the most, that's the answer. Entonces, ¿cuál es el número más grande? Which one's the biggest number? Tres leches, obvio, porque es el más rico. Fuchila, el chocolate. El carrot no está mal. Vanilla is normal. But the biggest number, el número más grande, es tres leches. So that's your answer. Simplemente el número más grande whenever you see the word mode. Are we good, chicos? Awesome. This one. The student is drawing an array on the number line shown to represent the solution to the inequality. So first we need to find the solution for this one. So what's the opposite of multiplying by 4? Dividing by 4. Good job, chicos. So we have x. We're not dividing, we're multiplying by negative, so that stays the same. And this is 6. So, is it open or closed, chicos? This is open. And what way is it going? To the right. Ahora, vamos a poner open y para allá. Bueno, chicos, it is important to mention que 6 is open. That means it is not being included. Por ejemplo, is greater than 6, right? Can I say 10 is greater than 6? Yes, so this is included. Awesome. Can I say 9 is greater than 6? Yes, so this is included. Can I say 7 is greater than 6? Yes, so this is included in the list. Can I say 6 is greater than 6? No, no podemos decir eso. So over here, chicos, you're going to have a drag down and you're going to put 3 answers. Va a ser, the endpoint to the rate should be an open circle going to the right, and 6 is not a part of the solution. Nomás acuérdense de esto, chicos. This is importante. This I know you're going to know, pero este is just a little bit different. Pero esto, if you just remember that it's not, you should be fine. Now, if it were like this, perdón. If it were like this, it is included. ¿Por qué? Because of the equal sign. Si fuera closed, si lo incluye. It's part of the group. It's part of the cool group. So greater than or equal to 6. So can we say 6 is greater than or equal to 6? Yes. ¿Estamos? El 6 es más grande que el 6, no, pero el 6 es más grande o igual al 6, sí, por el igual. Pero en este caso, in this case, 6 is not bigger than 6. No es más grande que 6. So pones is not. Okay. 16, chicos. The square shown has a perimeter of 84 inches, 84 pulgadas. This is trying to confuse you, chicos. Esto no importa. ¿Sabes por qué no importa? Porque, what if we remember a square in feet? Entonces, solo quieren que conviertes esto a feet. So what do we need to know from the reference chart? Well, we know that 1 feet is 12 inches. So when we create our little rectangle, vamos a tener feet, inches, vamos a tener 1 y 12. And what's the other number they gave us? 84 inches. So where's that going to go? Up or down? Down. ¿Por qué va a ir down? Because of inches. Perfecto. So you have your perfect Wakanda forever or side to side. Sometimes side to side works. So what are we multiplying, chicos, by? We're multiplying by 7. So times 7 gives you your answer, papita. So 7 feet. Boom. See it fácil. Are we good, chicos? Anytime you need it, chicos, pause the video so you can take a little mental break. I'm just trying to help you how to solve all the problems que van a venir en el examen. Prime factorization, you have to find two numbers that when you multiply gives you 120. Well, I know 10 and 12. Now, is 10 or 12 prime? No. So we're going to continue. Vamos a continuar. 10, that's 2 times 5. Are any of these prime, chicos? Yes, 2 and 5. Oh, awesome. Well, since we're already done, there's no way to go continue this way. We're going to go the other way, to the right side. 12, ese sí se puede. 2 times 6. Are there any prime numbers? Yes, 2. Then 6 is not prime, so you continue. 2 times 3. There we go. 2 and 3. Now, we have all the prime numbers we need. There's no way to reduce it. There's no way to continue. So let's just write how many family members we have of each number. Now, hello? Oh, wow. My AirPods went off. I hope you can still hear me. Now, this means three twos, three family members. So you're going to put the two, that's the important number. Ese es el número importante, el grande. And then how many family members? Eso va arribita. Then you're multiplying. Since we're multiplying to get 120 with that, we're multiplying. So let's put this. And the next number would be 3. How many family members? Nomás uno. So we don't even have to bother putting the family members because it's him alone. Y ahora ya nomás queda él. So times 5. And this is your answer. This is as reduced as we can make it. Lo más reducido que se puede. Perfecto. Perfect. 18, chicos. Oh, this is the easiest thing ever, chicos. Easiest thing ever. Table shows the relationship between H, the number of hours. Okay, ¿qué pasó? And P, the amount she was paid for working those hours. Which equation represents the relationship between H and P? Well, what's happening here, chicos? Aquí, ¿qué está pasando? So it's going from 10 to 120. How did they do that? Híjole. Va a ser como Dora. What do you think, chicos? Okay, backpack. Vamos a multiplicar por 12. Vamos a multiplicar por 12. And we could assume we're multiplying this 1 by 12. You can double check if you want, but you don't have to. Ahora, we're multiplying what by 12? 12 times hours gives you the total. So let's find. A ver, which one is multiplying by 12? Estas adding son nada que ver. Adding son nada que ver. These are multiplying, but which one is multiplying the hours? A ver, vamos a ver. 12 times H, 12 times P, 12 times the total, nada que ver. Fuchila, guacala. And papita, chicos. Now, the Christmas word, oh, you forgot about that. Ya sé, I know. Second word is going to be, a ver, vamos a pensar. Vamos a poner hot chocolate, chocolate, abuelita. This is the second word, la segunda palabra. Write it down. La primera, ¿cuál fue, chicos? No se acuerdan, ¿verdad? No se acuerdan. La primera fue reindeer. That was the first word. Ay, ahí está. There we go. Bye-bye.